In this video, I'll go over how you can get a Revolut card for free. So there's basically two ways to do it. The first one is pretty obvious, and that is if you already have a Revolut account, to go to cards in the top right, then here click add new, and then instead of physical, go and select a virtual card. Now you can still add this to your Apple Pay, for example, on your phone, which means you can still use it in person, but this is a free card that you can go and get instantly. Now, if you want to get a physical card, sometimes that is also available for free. You will see if I click on physical right now that it is going to cost me $5.99 and the delivery fee from $7.99. Now, for me, when I first got my physical card, it was free, and that was because I signed up through a referral link. So they don't always run the same promotions, but what you can do is sign up through my link down in the description, and then if they are currently running that promotion, then you will be able to get a free Revolut physical card. So the link will be given down in the description, and if you sign up through there, you may be able to also get the physical card for free, which I did get after signing up through someone's link. And then you can also unlock a few bonuses after you make a few purchases, usually 3 transactions of over €5. So that's how you can get a Revolut card for free. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.